All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Asa's studio, and we're here for photography and music production tutorial and learning. This is a tutorial about mastering. Like I said before in the previous tutorial, I said I'm going to be posting a picture of how I'm going to master the beat titled On Love. And if you want to check the review of the beat, you can go to the channel where I actually showed you how I actually, made the beat and the elements that are in there. The video is right in the beat making section or the playlist, so you can actually check there. Now, this is a mastery tutorial which is going to be on the mastering playlist or the mixing playlist, and I didn't actually post how I mixed the beat, but you can have a clue on the previous video that I posted. It's actually there and self-explanatory. So let's get right into it on the mastering tutorial. This is mastering an instrumental, not a song. So we're not going to be doing too much. You don't have to stress yourself trying to make it feel better. The main thing you need to do is to glue things together and remove the frequencies you don't want, of which you are supposed to do that in the mixing stage. So I've actually done that already. So I'm just going to play the beat for you, so this isn't another beat. This is actually the beat, and you can see we have a whole lot of headroom, because when I exported the wave file, it was actually very small, very low in volume. But I like it like this. We can actually bring it up, but God knows how many limiter we're gonna use to bring it up to the balance. One limiter might do. Let's see. First of all, let's set the tempo. So I'm just going to double click and then go to the text tempo, and I know the tempo is from 75 to 150, I guess 106. So let's FL Studio try to run the value of the tempo. Okay, so before that, what we're going to do next is to actually transfer it to the mixer and then do some little touches, and then we master it out. So this 109, yeah, so that's, I know that is the tempo of what I used. So you can see now it actually set to 109. So let me just play the beat for you. Sounds like this. Let's go to the so that is just the verse, and then this is the yeah. So you already know how it sounds. So if we actually want to normalize it, it's actually going to peak like this, of which I don't want that you have a lot of peaks and the rest. So that is that. Actually don't actually think it's actually sounding okay, but now to be sound. So you see we have a lot of issues to fix in the beat after normalizing it, but let's not normalize. Let's see. So I'm just going to boost it just a little bit, like so. So we have something up again, just like so. Good. So I'm going to leave it right there. So we have something like this, and then I'm going to send it to the mixer. The first thing I'm going to throw in there is Pro EQ. So Pro EQ will actually analyze. I like mastering from the chorus. If the chorus sound good, then I guess everything's gonna sound good. So something like this. So I usually turn this on and then hold down the mouse and start dropping all those frequencies. Got that. Okay, so after doing that, I'm just going to solo each one. So we don't need that, but this is too much in mastering. I'm just going to reduce it to 3 dB or so. 3, yes. Then same with this. I don't like that too, so reduce 3 dB. This one solo, so all those are just clashing there. So this one also out, this also out, this also out, this also, yeah, out. I'm even going to bring this one down and then increase the width like this to make it smooth, and this one, and then I'm going to drop this. Let me listen to this place again. Yeah, I'm going to make it dynamic, so as to cut to 6. So I don't just like that. See, this sounding off. I'm going to drop it to 6, just like so. It's just an instrumental, so we can actually fix that in the mix. Same thing, those places I just don't like. Yeah, but I'm still going to do something, so just keep watching. So I'm going to bring this down, this one. Okay, so I'm also going to bring it to 6. Now let's see which band is going to affect. Let's make it mid and see. You can see nothing is actually going on. I guess it's actually happening on the sides, so I'm going to leave it on the sides. Where is it? This one, yeah, mid. Let's see the mid. So I'm going to leave it on the mid channel, and then this one, let's see where it happens. I'm going to select this one, mid. Actually rough on the mid. Let's see, I'm going to ignore it on the sides. I'm going to leave it stereo then. Feels like it's rough on the 2 side. Yeah, I guess this side channel is going to be no. This one, okay. I made this one stereo, right? Yes, this one. So I guess this will be on the mid. Why am I always hovering over that one? Yeah, so let's check the sides also for this one. So nothing's happening at the side that much. I'm just going to leave it at the mids. I guess this is going to be so harsh on the sides, not this one. Nothing's happening on the mid side. Nothing's happening on the sides. So let's just leave it on the stereo part. Then this one, let's see, stereo, side. I don't think there's any side information down there, so leave it at the mid. So far so good. Let's listen to it. So without the EQ, so something's actually wrong with it. The bass, it's actually gone. Guess it's this one. Okay, so I guess the compression is too much. So let's bring it up. Just gonna increase this one. So just a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, clean now. So one more thing I'm going to do, I'm going to throw in an ozone imager and the with ozone imager. I mean ozone what's it called? EQ. So here we have ozone EQ. So I'm just going to turn this to mid and side and then solo the sides. So let's hear it. So I'm just going to bring this one down and then solo and take it to the right to here. just like all the sound. So let's solo it. So it sounds clean now. I'm gonna leave it like that. 160. Let's leave it at 150. If 150. Okay. Let's see what to boost. So this actually gives it body. Just 1 dB. I'm not going to boost the high end. So just take it up a little bit. See before. I'm gonna bring this down. Okay, so let's go to the mid and solo this and solo the mid. We have most of the instrument. I'm gonna just quickly do this. Solo this. So nothing is actually there. So I'm just gonna bring it back a little bit. So I'll just low end. Let's see where to boost. Yeah, to give it the top end with the snare. Just do 1. Okay, let's check this side. Yes, actually no problem. Yeah, something like that. But what you don't bring this one down. Yeah, that one. Okay. So just smooth curve. Just small. Twist this one up. So everything all together. So we have that. So let's throw in Pro MB and glue things together. And then we're done. Glue things together, put some saturation and boom. So let's go down. I guess we have just make it. That should be okay. I'm gonna throw in another band. 3 band is okay. So I guess we need to compress the sides more. I'm gonna put it on the sides. Yeah, so now you keep the pianist before. So increase. Yeah. So this one we have one band here. Look at that. This I'm going to focus it more on the mid side. Let's go to the expert and then focus it more on the mid here. Then I'm going to mid only. So increase. Let's see. So I'm going to increase. Yeah, let's increase it. Okay, let's see this. This should probably be in the mid. So without it, so I feel the kick is not punching. So let's look for where that kick is. Yeah, so I guess that's too much to kick. So that's a little bit. Yeah, not much difference now. So just achieve it, just a little difference. You can saturate the drums now, or make image, use stereo image to widen it up. So I don't think that is actually needed, because I checked with this EQ, we check the middle side and then we see that there is nothing there. Or with the ozone EQ, the middle side is actually just the kick. So I guess we are good with that. So if you feel like you want to widen it up, you can add ozone imager, but I don't find any need for that. So last thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to give some small saturation with saturation knob tube, and I'm just using that because I find it less CPU. I don't want to throw in another ozone something and get. You can just see just a little. So let's keep it neutral. Keep the low. All right, so that is just what I'll do, and then I'm going to throw in center. Where's center stereo? So what I do with center, I make the low to the middle, put the lows at the middle, put the punch to the middle also, like this, and then highs to the side. But don't do too much. So if you feel the side is too loud, so I just increase the side. Okay, so that is okay. Now we're through. Just one last thing, maximizer and ozone maximizer. I know this is just going to take over everywhere, but I have a trick I normally use. For this one, it's just the loudness we want to achieve, so nothing much. So I'm just going to, I don't want to render, I just want to so as you can see my CPU is already reading 70 something. So I'm going to turn off the Pro MB and turn off the equalizer. And what else? So just those two, and then we're just going to reduce it. And then let's make the beat louder. We already know that. We just want to put it at -1. And I'm aiming at this 9. Because nothing, the MB is not actually doing anything. So it's not adding to the volume. So okay, so that is already loud enough. So if you want to check it out with ML, with WLM MIDI stereo, so you can see -9. So I have -8, -8, -9. So that is actually okay for me. And the last thing is just to place, if you want to automate the volume, but I don't think that is actually important. While I press. So this one, I'm just going to delete this one. Okay, delete. So now you can actually test your instrumental with tuner balance and see if it's actually. I'm going to turn this one off. I'm going to turn the rest on. So let's see tuner balance. Yeah, tuner balance control. So if it's actually on the blue line, then you are good to go. Actually, I'm just going to choose the modem. So let's see. It's actually reading there. But let's just keep on analyzing it. Let's make it a phone call. It's smooth curve. So there's nothing to do else, just to master your beat, and boom, you are gone. So throw the maximizer on it. After everything on, you can add, I don't like, it's just instrumental, please. So reset and then fire on with with exporting. So that is how to master your instrumental. And if you feel like, oh, you don't want to increase, you want to normalize before you master, there's no problem. There's no rule. So just do your thing. All right. So thank you so much for watching. The instrumental will be out on the channel tonight. Yeah. Here is actually night. So you can actually, download and vibe with it. And I will try as much as possible to upload it on SoundCloud too. So you can get free instrumentals you want to use. If you want to get the beat, you know what to do. You can hit me up on the description. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Once again, once you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Love you guys for your support, for your love. See you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.